Hello all! As promised, there's the story of how we transformed the narrow hallway leading to the back cabin. When we first saw this space, it didn't feel livable at all. The walls weren't insulated and there was some mold, as the boat didn't leave the dock for over 3 years. We knew we had to start from scratch. So, we stripped everything back to the bare structure. Siko came up with a simple but clever idea: insulating the walls using yoga mats, what are flexible, practical, and perfect for shaping along the narrow passage. Then began the search for the right materials. We visited several shops looking for mats that were not too thick, not too thin, just right to glue securely onto the walls without taking up too much space. After that, we would finish the walls with a clean covering. We chose a light color, hoping it would reflect more light and make the small corridor feel brighter and open. This wasn't a quick project. For several weeks, this small hallway became part of our daily work. Slowly, patiently, the space began to change. Layer by layer, it started to feel less like a problem and more like a future home. With a new mattress and fresh cushions, the hallway has now become more than just a passage. It's a cozy extra sleeping space and a place we're genuinely proud of. A touch of extra color and some added protection from a beach mat, and the transformation was complete. In between work, you could find me on walks in nature, especially on a misty day. And the work didn't stop there. After finishing the hallway, Siko also replaced the materials of the walls in one bathroom. It looks clean, solid, and ready for a new life ahead. Step by step, the boat is becoming ours. Thank you for sailing with Skellig. We invite you to follow for more stories.